So after this, we will start with Nachiket's journey.
Yeah.
Nachiket, yeah.
I am Nachiket's mother. Nachiket was born on the 17th of October 2003. He was a premature baby, born 5 weeks before the expected delivery date. 3 days after birth, he developed jaundice. Within just 2 days, his bilirubin level rose alarmingly to 39. Because of this severe jaundice, he was immediately shifted to the NICU, where he underwent blood transfusions and intensive phototherapy. He remained in the NICU for 17 days. After conducting multiple tests, the doctors told us something that shattered our lives. They said that the jaundice had damaged his brain. According to them, 95% of his brain was damaged due to excess water accumulation. They said his chances of survival were very low, and even if he survived, he would never be normal. They told us he would not be able to see or hear, would never walk or talk, and would be mentally retarded for life. Every word spoken by the doctors felt like a bomb exploding inside us. For most families, the birth of a child is the happiest moment, but for us, it became the darkest phase of our lives. We were completely unprepared for this reality. When Nachiket was 3 months old, all the tests were repeated. The diagnosis remained the same. The only small relief was that he could see and hear, but new problems began to appear. His head size started increasing rapidly. He could not open his eyes fully and developed squint. He always lay on his right side, unable to move his body. He suffered from frequent infections, cold, fever, bronchitis, and had to be hospitalized many times. To prevent convulsions, Gardinal and other medicines were started, along with continuous antibiotics. At 7 months, we began physiotherapy in our small town. His right leg was in a scissor position, his knees could not bend, and his head circumference had reached 23 inches. His head felt very soft and spongy, and his eyesight was unstable. We tried every possible treatment available to us. After 1 full year, there was no improvement. Nachiket lay on the bed all day, motionless, like a vegetable. We were losing hope, deeply depressed, and slowly withdrew from society. When Nachiket was 1 year and 5 months old, we learned about Vasa concept and invention of the century, and I must say, this was the biggest turning point of our lives. In our very first meeting, respected Dr. Vasa Madam told us something no doctor had ever said before. She said that Nachiket is not mentally retarded. She asked us to stop all medicines and told us not to make him stand. She introduced us to the Vasa concept and gave us 4 types of ball exercises, explaining in advance the reactions Nachiket might show. She even told us that his fingers would open within 8 to 10 days. Everything was completely new for us, but she had a clear plan of action for Nachiket. From that day onward, our helpless journey of running from one doctor to another stopped. All medicines and physiotherapy were discontinued. This saved us enormous time, money, and emotional energy. We focused only on Vasa concept exercises, practicing 7 to 8 hours daily. After seeing this, many doctors questioned us. Why did you stop brain medicines and physiotherapy? Don't you understand their importance? But we trusted Dr. Vasa, and continued Vasa concept. Nachiket started improving day by day. Within 4 months, there were clear changes. The constant drowsiness disappeared. Frequent infections stopped. He began recognizing us. His understanding improved. His fingers opened. He started grasping objects. Then Dr. Vasa gave us another task. She said that Nachiket had to sit continuously for 30 minutes. At that time, he couldn't even sit for 2 seconds. We were frustrated, but we did not stop his exercises. First, he sat for 1 minute. Then Dr. Vasa told us, if he can sit for 1 minute, he can sit for 1 hour. We were doubtful, but after 2.5 months, we achieved it. That was our biggest achievement, and our faith in the Vasa concept became unshakable. Later, while doing exercises, clean water started coming out from his eyes, nose, and ears. Sometimes he had diarrhea and vomiting. We were frightened. Dr. Vasa calmly told us, "Celebrate this. Mucus is coming out from the brain. Do not stop. Do not give medicines." During our VF workshops in Mumbai, we met many parents of children with CP. Some children had severe spasticity, spinal deformities, and scissor gait. Many parents had spent lakhs of rupees on physiotherapy, Botox, stem cell therapy, with no improvement. That's when I realized, fortunately, Nachiket was saved from all this because we found the Vasa concept early. It saved him from medicines, painful stretching, contractures, surgeries. Then, within 2 years, water in his brain vanished. Head circumference reduced from 23 inches to 18 inches. There were no contractures in his body. Once, at a CP medical camp held in our town with 300 CP children, doctors advised surgery for almost everyone. When they examined Nachiket, they said, "There are no contractures, no orthopedic surgery is required," but they advised brain surgery, but we refused it. We are confident today that we received the right treatment at the right time. We never fell into the trap of the multidisciplinary cycle of neurologist, physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech therapists, dietitian, etc. After joining the Vasa concept, we never spent a single rupee on his treatment. Dr. Vasa empowered us by teaching exercises in such a simple way that we could do everything at home. She taught us how to use gravitational force during exercises. Today, Nachiket can do cycling, plays with toys and computers, studies at his home school, performs activities with friends and teachers, learns Marathi alphabets and 3-letter words, helps in daily household activities, climbs on and off the bed independently, maintain balance while eating, opens the main door of our house himself. Is this mental retardation? No, it's not. He is enjoying life in his own way, and we are steadily moving toward his independence. Dr. Rajul Vasa is not just a doctor. She is our guide, supporter, and motivator. She always tells mothers, "Society makes you feel guilty, but do not think that way. Work on your child." She celebrates every milestone with us. Even though 95% of Nachiket's brain was said to be damaged, the remaining 5% developed, only because of the Vasa concept. Vasa concept makes the impossible possible. Today, Nachiket proudly says, "I am the winner." We now see life optimistically, and we are sure that one day, we will reach our destination. Thank you so much, respected Dr. Vasa Madam. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and we wish very quick recovery to Nachiket. We are very happy to see the way he is recovering. That's wonderful.
maintenant.